Hi, just a quick tutorial on showing you how to share your cell phone, iPhone from or in your Zoom meeting. What you'll need to do as the host is once you are in your meeting, you'll notice at the bottom of your screen you have several options to unmute, start video, invite, share screen, reactions, more, etc. What you want to click on is the share screen. When you click on that, it will open a option box where you can share your entire screen, whiteboard. If you have a website that's open, you can share just the website. And what we're going to choose is the iPhone, iPad option. So I'll click that. It's already highlighted, and then click share. The instructions here letting us know that on our cellular device we need to make sure we're connected to the same Wi-Fi, and that will be in our settings. And after we're connected to the same Wi-Fi, we need to tap on the screen mirroring and then choose Zoom Owner. So I'm going to do that on my phone. You can't see it right now, but I'll show you what it looks like after we're connected. Okay, I did that, and I chose the screen mirroring option and then Zoom Owner. Let me show you how I got to that part. On an iPhone, if you swipe from the top right down, it will give you these options. In these options, you're able to choose mirroring, and where it says Zoom Owner, that normally would say mirroring, screen mirroring, you choose Zoom Owner as the option, and then it would automatically connect you to your Zoom meeting screen. And from there you're able to share what you're doing on your cellular device. From here, what I would do is go into my app and show whomever you're trying to show how to download the Zoom app to their phone, with every step that they need to do. Find the Zoom app, look it up, search, pick the right Zoom app, you open it. They would have to download it, of course, and then show them where they would need to go from there to join your meeting. If you wanted to show them anything else on your cellular phone, you can do the same. This can be recorded on Zoom while you're doing it. I'm actually recording it on something else, but you can record all of this in the Zoom platform so that they're able to see it. If you like to use the Screen-O-Matic platform that I'm using, I can share with you how to do that. It's a free online program that you can use, and it's very helpful with tutorials. If you have any questions, please let me know, and hopefully this helps out.